In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out all devices on PayPal. This is a crucial security measure, especially if you suspect unauthorized access, have lost a device, or simply want to ensure your account is only active on the devices you're currently using. You can protect your financial information and personal data, quickly enhancing your account security. First, you'll need to navigate to your PayPal account. Once logged in, whether on your computer or a mobile browser, look for the Settings icon. This is typically a small gear symbol, usually found in the top right corner of your PayPal dashboard. Clicking this icon will take you to your account's main settings page. This page is your central hub for managing your profile and account preferences. After clicking Settings, you'll see various options. Locate and click on the Security tab or link. This dedicated section is designed to help you manage all aspects of your account's protection, from two-factor authentication to password updates. Think of it as your control panel for keeping your PayPal account safe and sound. It's where you implement measures to prevent unauthorized access and monitor login activity. Within the Security section, you'll find several settings. One option will be labeled Auto Login. Go ahead and click on Auto Login. This setting controls how your devices remember your login information. While convenient for quick access, auto login can pose a security risk if those devices are compromised or no longer in your possession. This allows you to control which devices maintain persistent access to your PayPal account. Now that you're in the Auto Login Management section, you'll find a clear option labeled Log Out of All Devices. This is the final, direct action to revoke access from all currently logged-in devices except for the one you are actively using. Click on Log Out of All Devices to confirm. PayPal will then immediately terminate all active sessions across all devices that were previously logged in, including smartphones, tablets, and computers. This is an excellent measure if you've used a public computer, sold an old device, or noticed unusual activity. After this, you'll need to manually log back into any devices you wish to continue using. For maximum security, especially if you initiated this due to suspicious activity, consider changing your PayPal password immediately afterwards.